Setting up your Shopify store is exciting, but there's a big question. How do you get paid? In today's video, we're diving into Shopify Payment Gateway and how to add this into your online store so that your customers can have multiple methods of payment. Now, the first step is to make sure you log in your account. Navigate the settings, which you can find at the bottom left sidebar, and locate for payments. Now, at the first section, you can see the payment providers. Click Choose a Provider, and you can see here the different third-party payment providers. Just select a providers that available in your country. For example, I'll be using this UsePay. So just click Install. And install, but we're not gonna use this. Let's use other providers. Now let's go back to payment. Just click cancel. So I'll be using this Winer Way Direct. Since I've already installed this a while ago, so I just need to reactivate this. Now, there you go. Let's go back to the payment, and as you can see here, the payment gateway is already added. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.